I was summoned by Senator Cheese to his room. When I got there, he told me, hindi na ako bababa sa CA. Marami pa akong kulang na streetlight sa Sorsogon. Ano ba magagawa nyo para sa akin? I replied, kakausapin ko po si Sec Bunaan kung paano ang gagawin. I relayed to Secretary Bunoan what Senator Cheese told me. Subsequently, I received from the brother-in-law of Senator Cheese Escudero a list of projects which included the aforesaid streetlights project. He asked me to confirm if that streetlights project was the one for Senator Cheese, which I did. Sometime in 2023, Maynard Ngu told me to go to Cork and meet Senator Cheese Escudero, which I did. I met with the latter in a private room in the said establishment. While we were drinking wine, he told me, alam ko naman ang galawan niyo dyan sa DPWH. Okay naman ako. Sabihin mo kay Sec magbaba sa akin. Also, the delivery of the 160 million for Senator Cheese referred to in paragraph 17 of my affidavit happened sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with Senator Cheese and Maynard Ngu at the court. Senator Cheese Escudero approached me, shook my hand, and said to me, thank you.